How to import color profiles. A color profile contains the best color settings and the required printer preferences for the white toner transfer media. The TransferRIP color profiles are designed to work with the OGI white toner printers and the FOREVER white toner transfer media. Color profiles translate screen or desktop colors into printable colors. We have 3 white toner transfer medias: laser dark no cut low temp, laser light no cut, and multitrans. Each of these medias has 4 profiles, one for each of OGI's white toner printers: the Pro 711, the Pro 9420, the Pro 8432, and the Pro 9541. The color profiles can be found on the TransferRIP DVD or downloaded from our white toner transfer website. To begin importing the color profiles, click Import. This opens a window for adding profiles. Locate the profiles in your CD and begin importing each of the profiles which you require. Select each profile and click Open to import them into the TransferRIP. Repeat this process for each of the profiles. Now the profiles are imported. Clicking on each of the color profiles activates the right-hand window. This area displays links to our websites and social media pages. You can remove color profiles from the list by clicking Delete. Choosing the profile which you would like to use and clicking Select will take you to the next step in the TransferRIP.